Jessica here, and I am the leasing agent for our brand new units at the Magnolia in Poway. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through. This is a 2-bedroom floor plan. The kitchen is actually my favorite. We've got quartz countertops, dual tone cabinetry, and again, all stainless steel appliances and tons of pantry space. One of the things I love most about this unit is its open floor plan concept from the kitchen into your living room. Not to mention, you have to have the in-unit washer dryer. And another great perk is that you have air conditionings in every single room. The bedroom sizes are spacious. You have a walk-in closet off of the primary, and your bathrooms match your kitchen finishes. So again, this is the Magnolia in Poway. We have 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms available. So be sure to reach out, especially if you like a private tour, and we can go ahead and get that scheduled. Have a great day.